welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my natural everyday makeup look, and you guys, like, if you follow my channel, you know I love me some full coverage matte, like extremely flawless makeup look. But then on an everyday basis, I always wear a very minimal makeup, and whenever I'm going for a minimal makeup, you guys, I love that natural feel. Like, I love that no makeup look. But we always tend to run into a problem, especially as someone that don't have a perfect skin. Like, going for that natural minimal makeup is sometimes almost impossible because our skin don't make it easy for us. So for today's video, I decided to show you guys step by step, like products, my techniques, like how I wear my makeup on an everyday basis. I'm going to start from skincare because, of course, before you achieve a natural makeup look, you want to make sure that your skin is on point. Even when you have a problem skin, you want to first of all take care of your skin. So for today's video, I'm going to start with masking because, as you all can see, I have dark spots, acne, hyperpigmentation. I'm going to be introducing you guys to this Tea Me Detox Mask, you guys. It has lemongrass and matcha green tea, which is absolutely perfect for the skin, and it just helps to refresh your skin, especially if you're like me, who is always busy. I'm always like filming, running errands, taking care of my family. It's just a whole lot, you guys. So sometimes I might not have the time to go through like my 5-step skincare routine, especially in the morning. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply this mask, and then we're going to wait for maybe 5-10 minutes depending on how ventilated where you are is. So it helps, you know, in drying out the mask. So when I'm applying the mask, I just like to work it all over my skin, starting from, of course, I'm right-handed, so I love to start from my right and just apply it. It smells really good and also has that very nice cooling sensation to the skin. Like, it makes you want to sleep. I'm actually a mask whore, you guys. Like, I love applying masks on my face because not only do they help to detox, especially if you wear a lot of makeup, you know, they just help to pull out all the junk on the face. It says to leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, but because the place I'm filming is very ventilated, I can already see that the mask is drying, so I probably need 2 to 3 or 5 minutes at most for this mask to dry. So I'm gonna be right back. Alright, so here we are, you guys. Everything is dried out. As you all can see, like, when you go ahead and put your hand on it, it doesn't rub off on your finger. That's one simple trick to know if it's dry. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and wash up my skin. So here we are, you guys. I had to wash off the mask and also change my outfit. And you guys, like, I love the way my skin feels. Like, you know how sometimes when you touch your skin, it feels kind of rough, but this really, like, this mask really made my skin very soft and supple, and I feel like it's ready to receive whatever product I'm gonna give my skin. You know, sometimes when you apply a mask, it just kind of dries out your skin, but this one right here, it doesn't dry out my skin at all. And it's also recommended to use it twice or 3 times a week. So definitely use my coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this mask. So you guys, now we're going to move on to the skin because, as you all can see, my skin is ready. Once I've masked, the next thing will be to apply a serum, and I just picked up this Farsali base serum from Sephora. So I'm just going to go ahead and spot it maybe in 2 or 3 areas of my face. This right here is a serum, and it also helps with prepping your skin before you then go ahead with your foundation, your concealer, and whatever you use on a daily. I've seen a lot of people rave that this product is good for oil skin, so I decided to pick it up. Like, when I'm blending it out, it has that powdery finish to my face. One thing with a natural makeup is whatever you apply, you want to give it time to sink into your skin before you apply the next product. So it's been a minute or 2 since I applied the serum, and now I'm going to go ahead and apply some primer, and this one is my favorite, my Becca Ever Matte Poreless Priming Perfector. I just love to apply it on the areas where I normally would produce oil. I always love to use a foundation pen brush to apply my primer, but for today, since I already applied the serum with my fingers, I'm just gonna use my fingers to rub the primer into my skin. One reason I love this foundation is It's a full coverage foundation, but it gives your skin that very nice kind of natural feel. It doesn't have that cakey feel to it. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply it like 2 pumps whenever I'm going for an everyday makeup look. I'm not always specific about coverage because I just want something that would look natural. And I'm using my favorite foundation brush, which is from Beauty Crush Cosmetics. I absolutely love this foundation brush, you guys. Like, it gives me a very nice blend and also a flawless finish. This is what I have from the 2 pumps, and I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. This foundation brush is huge, you guys, so it just makes blending your foundation so much easier. You just have to stipple 1, 2, 3 and you're all done. Even when I'm going for an everyday makeup look, you guys, I don't joke with my brows because I always feel like brows helps shape the face. So I love to go ahead and just fill in my brows, and I'm using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5, and I'm gonna use it to fill in my brows. Of course, I'm going to make sure my under eye is bright and awake, so I'm going to highlight with Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm just going to apply it on my under eye. And as you all can see, the concealer is not too bright. Like, I love to use a concealer that is maybe a shade lighter. And then also, depending on my mood, I just like to slightly contour. And for this, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade, I think C17, or yeah, C17. Okay, so to blend it out, I'm going to be using one of my Beauty Crush Cosmetics makeup sponge. And you guys, this makeup sponge right here is of great quality, but definitely very, very affordable, guys. So I'm going to use this green one right here and just blend out my concealer. Alright, I'm going to blend out the contour. Once I'm done blending, I love to go in one more time with my sponge to make sure everything is nice and blended. And I also like to go in immediately and set the concealer to avoid creasing. And of course, I'm using E.Y.E.S High Definition Finishing Powder. And of course, because I have an oily skin, I love to just leave the powder there for maybe a minute. Since the powder is there soaking up all the oil, I'm just going to go in quickly and bronze. And I'm using my Doll 10 bronzer in the shade Deep. And you guys, whenever I want to get kind of a sunkies glow, this is the bronzer I use, and I absolutely love it. Look at that rich chocolate color. I absolutely love this bronzer, you guys. I'm just going to tap my brush into it and just use it to bronze up my face. With my Beauty Crush Paste Powder brush, I'm going to go in and just dust off this powder. So normally for my eyes, I don't do much. I just go into my Anastasia 4-quad eyeshadow palette. I normally just love to pick up this shade right here and just apply it all over my crease. I just love to add some type of depth to my eyes. So I'm just going to apply it right here on my crease and blend it out. As you all can see, there's a great difference between this eyes and this one right here. I'm going to apply eyeliner on my waterline. I'm going to apply mascara. So most times I love to apply mascara on my upper lashes and just leave the lower one. I love that clean look. Not applying lashes on my lower lashes gives the face. So of course, I love a neutral glossy lip. So I'm going to first of all line with E.Y.E.S Chestnut Lip Liner. And I'm breaking out on the lower part of my lip, so it makes my lip look kind of crooked. Okay, so I'm using this lip gloss sample I got from Pretty Little Thing. I'm definitely going to go for the full size because I absolutely love this lip gloss. It has that very nice nude brown color to it, which I absolutely love. I'm definitely going back for the full size. Of course, that's not all. I'm going to apply Rimmel London Stay Glossy Lip Gloss. You know, it's been such a long time I used the highlight on my face, but ever since I received this highlight from Ofra Cosmetics, I think this is their Nikki Tutorials collab, you guys. I've been dying. I've been wanting to try out this highlight. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and apply on my upper cheekbone. Oh my gosh, look at that. I miss wearing highlights, guys. I'm just going to go ahead and use my contour brush to blend it out. So last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and apply some makeup setting spray, and this will help give my face that very nice natural glowy looking skin. Thank God I'm almost finished because I'm not sure what's going on outside. Somebody's mowing their lawn. Just went ahead and added some pair of lashes because for me I feel like lashes help tie the whole look together. So sometimes I'm in the mood to wear lashes, while other times I just go ahead and other times I just go ahead and put on my mascara and call it a day. But yeah, you guys, this is all there is to this makeup look right here. I hope you all found this video helpful, and definitely check out my description box if you need any products I used in this video. Everything will be linked in my description box. And also, please don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up if you did enjoy this video, and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.